Greetings designated panel. This is the Health Sync Tree group. Basically, we are here to present the smart booking system, which is a healthcare ARM system. So our system has an online version and an offline mode, which basically the offline mode helps users that mainly don't have access to the internet. So I'm just going to demonstrate how it works. So just as you can see on the screen, we have a cell phone there, which is not a smartphone. We have options to book, mad reminders, health tips, and emergency. So if I want to book an appointment, I'm just going to click one. And then I'm going to call. And then I'm just going to select any clinic that I want to go to. Okay, and then after that, again, enter the date. Time, and then I have to confirm my booking for the time that I want. I'm confirming, and then it shows my booking is confirmed. That's all what we're going to demonstrate, and then exiting the offline mode, and then logging into I'm just going to use an existing user. So we have on the dashboard, we have a welcome page that welcomes you. So basically we have an audio that will take you on. Just gonna play it now.
HealthGPT SA. Healthcare that speaks your language anytime, anywhere. Welcome back. Heart rate. Beep.
So basically what the audio does, it summarizes the entire page of our system, and then we have the translation, which is basically you can translate according to any designated language you want to translate to, and then it shows your heart rate, your steps, and your sleeping hours, of course. And then we have the quick actions, which is basically the book appointment, finding your nearest clinic, scan medicine, and emergency help. So these quick actions, just in case you are too lazy to go to that menu dashboard, menu sidebar, you can just click anywhere here. It will direct you to that designated page that you want to go to. And then we have here also on the dashboard, it will show your next appointment, your daily health tips, and even your pages that you've and while using the system. And then moving forward, we are going to move to the appointment side. Okay, here we have your upcoming appointments, finding your nearest clinic, nearby clinics, and here you can even search for the clinic that you want to go to. If it's not there, it won't show. And then select according to any services that you want, and then I'm just gonna make a quick booking. I'm selecting medical specialty. Of course it has to be in person, and then selecting time that I want, normal, insurance number, it can be your insurance number, and then I'm booking an appointment that is booked. It will show here that certain appointment has been booked. And then moving forward, we have a gamification page. So this page actually makes the entire system more interesting, so that users don't get bored while using the system. So it offers various quizzes type. You can just click. It also shows your badges you've earned while playing those quizzes. And then we have your community leaderboard. Basically in your community, it shows which you are ranking what place, and then just gonna play one quiz. So these quizzes, they all have different visual feedback. It will show the incorrect and the correct answer, and then when you are about to be finishing it, and it will show you got out of this question, and it will basically you're earning a reward, points, and then you also have to collect those rewards. And then moving forward, we have the mental health. We have a daily mood tracker, which basically it tracks how are you feeling on that particular certain day. And then when you are maybe feeling unsaid, feeling anyway, it will suggest a better way to make you feel better. And then we have a helpline that will allow you, when you click it, it will want to make a call in your phone. And then we have this finding nearby counselors. Basically it uses the real-time data. And then after finding your nearest counselors, you can even book appointments to be with to go to them. Book those appointments. Preferred date and time. And then I book that appointment that is booked. It will show on the system. Okay, your appointments, and then it's still pending because it hasn't been approved by that counselor that you're going to see. And then we have the emergency section. So just in case you have a life-threatening situation, you can even use this page where when you click here, it will want to make a call with the help people, and then when you share your location, it will share your location to the emergency people, sharing your location. And then when you want to, we have an AI symptoms checker. Basically, you'll be describing your symptoms. It will show my pen 11. Yes, and then after this, it will suggest recommendation, or even you can even call the helpline. And then we have the assistant, which is actually powered by AI. Here you can even upload any medical image. It will scan it for you, tell you the criticality of your image, and then you can even scan prescription over there. Same thing with this one, scan prescription, tell you in detail your prescription and how many doses that you have to take on that particular hour. And then here with drug interaction checker, so you will be checking the medication that you are using. Let me check. Okay, and see what it's going to say. So basically it will be telling your interactions with that particular medication. And then I'm just gonna put my symptoms severity, and then it will suggest if it's high severity, it will actually suggest I need to consider consulting with the emergency care. And then here we have the scanning. Basically what it does, you can scan the barcode scanner of any medication just in case you forgot how to drink those pills and so forth. Basically you can start the camera, instant results that you get there. And then we have a community hub. Basically here it shows different posts. It's just like Twitter or X, just to make I can even make a post. I can join events, join groups, and then we have health library. Here you can even save an article for later, to read it later, and then you can also remove it. Videos, same thing. When you click it, it will direct you to the third party, which is actually YouTube.
Hi, I'm Jess.
And then on the conditions, it will, when you want to learn more about that particular condition, it will take you to the World Health Organization site. Yes, and that is actually what our system does.